In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job board to Wix Site. By the end, you'll have a fully functional job board added to your site and ready for your first listing, all from inside the Wix editor. Start in your Wix work area with the site open in the editor. Give yourself a moment to let everything load so the side panels appear. If you're using the standard Wix editor, you'll see the main toolbar on the left. Now, click the Add button at the top left. It's the plus icon that opens the panel where you can insert elements and apps. This is your gateway to everything you can place on a page, from text and images to full-featured business tools. In the Add panel, use the search bar and type Wix Job Board. Typing the exact phrase helps bring up the right result faster. You'll notice Wix shows a variety of result types, not just apps. When the results appear, you're looking for the app version specifically. Wix may show templates, elements, or other content first, so don't select those. You want the job board app that comes from the Wix App Market. If you don't see the app section right away, use the right arrow in the results strip to move through the categories until you reach the end where apps are listed. Take your time here. Wix organizes results in a horizontal carousel, and the app you need is in the Apps section. Once you're in Apps, scroll down until you find Job Board. It should be clearly labeled. Select it to open its details. You can glance at the description and screenshots to confirm it's the official job board tool you want to install. When you choose to add it, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. This is normal for Wix apps. Click to confirm and allow any required permissions so the app can integrate with your site's pages and data. After it's added, the job board will appear on your page and you can start filling in the job details right away. Add a clear job title, location, employment type, and a thorough description. Use categories and tags if available to help visitors filter roles later. You can also adjust the layout and design from the app settings so it matches your site's style. Remember to save your changes as you go and use Preview to make sure everything looks right before sharing the page with your audience. That's it. Your Wix job board is installed and ready for listings. Keep your postings up to date and you'll make it easy for candidates to find and apply to the right roles.